welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys my slime. So let's get on with the video. Here is my first slime, and this one is a bubbly kind. And yeah, let's just show you. And so yeah, it's very bubbly and stretchy. Sorry, it's a bit sticky though. On to the next one. Here is a plum bead one. And yeah. Whoa. Very crunchy. On to the next one. Here is the other one. It's also a foam bead one, but it's just a tad more like slimy. It's a bit of foam beads. But it's still a crunchy slime. On to the next one. Okay, so now I'm starting out with the putty ones. Here is a putty one. It's a bit clear, but it has a tint of green. So yeah. Since it's putty, you know, it breaks a bit easier. So yeah. But it's very satisfying. And let's put it back in, and let's go with the other one, which is a blue, and it reminds me of the ocean in my opinion. This one's a bit stretchier than the other one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to leave a thumbs up, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and goodbye. Bye.